Oh, she's just done. Are you just done? Finished? Okay, cool. Not finished? Okay. Not finished. Alright guys, yeah, that can happen. It's interesting that it hasn't happened before. The next one is also taken. Well, we'll try this one. Well, that one's on the way. Maybe they're done once I get there. The reality of owning an electric vehicle? You might be charge blocked. But luckily these DC chargers, they're everywhere. So I left the island this morning. I just wanted to quickly charge up here because, to be honest, guys, I can't be bothered anymore to plug in at some Airbnbs and like having all this hassle of like, can I plug in? And then just, like, I might have to leave the door open, blah, blah, blah. No. I reckon these days are over. I will charge her up domestically. Just at least once, probably at some point, but not just now. Because today I kind of want to check out Snowdonia before tonight I'm going to meet a friend, another motorcycle traveler. Yay! Yeah. But today I can spend here in the area. I will plot a cool route while I'm charging with Kalimoto and then we'll be alright. What's the speed limit here? Going fast is fun, but only for a little while. Like, otherwise it's just like on a naked bike. It's not really awesome, to be honest. 15%. Beast mode. Oh, why they're all locked now? That's so strange. Huh? It's not working. Why?
I don't know.
This one really seems. Let me press the knob here. Let's see. It's available now. This one really doesn't seem to work. No, it's not working. Yeah, this one is not working. Yours is working, right? This one's not even on. Yeah, really not so lucky today. That is so strange. Well, I could have used the other one. I chose wrong. It happens. But, yeah, 3 miles says another one. Boy, I wouldn't have thought that would have been so complicated today. But yeah, happens. Check this out, the mountains already. Wow. I love it. I just need to juice her up, do some social media work, and then I'm good to go for today. I have no route yet though. MOT. Interesting fact, when you're in a different country with your motorcycle or whatever, it doesn't matter. You don't need MOT. Like, nobody can get at you for it. That's really cool. You also can't get it in a different country. Like, if you want to get your inspection done, you can only do it in a country where it's registered. That's why I was driving with Eve for like 2 years without my inspection. But what was I supposed to do, right? Couldn't ship it home just to get the inspection done. But many asked about that. So maybe I'm wrong, I don't know. I don't want to give legal advice. But that's what I experienced. The other charger was better though. There was a Greg's. What is this here? Like a gym? Something like that. Yeah, definitely a gym. It looks better. Could go to the gym. Sure. Okay, that's not locked. It's not doing anything. Seriously? Try and pay with card then. All good. We're charging. It just took like half a minute to activate, but now we're okay. We can do some work and then we can start our day. That is Estonia because it's produced in Estonia, but the company is Finnish.
So the company's finished,
Yeah.
you're German and the bike's
Yeah,
registered.
yeah, it's a bit weird, right?
International.
Yeah.
Oh, well done. How
Yeah.
long now to charge?
Oh well, probably like half an hour, and
Oh,
then
is
I'll
it?
be gone. Yeah,
Yeah, yeah.
And then it's back at almost 100, like 90.
Are you touring UK or?
Yes, an island. Yeah,
Oh, well done.
Wow, nice.
cool.
Good weather today.
Nice meeting you. Bye. Also, guys, this must be Welsh then, right? The language. I can't understand anything, but everybody speaks English as well. That's good. Stop. Releasing cable. We should be good for another 100 miles now at least. Let's do Zen mode. So I also want to catch the ferry tomorrow. So I'm heading down south. Let's do it.
So high, so high.
Oh, that's bloody cool. Look at that. What a road. So this is Snowdonia. Maybe it's the whole area, right? Would be, not just that here. But I put that into the maps and this is the via point. Stunning though. And it's a smooth road to ride on. Probably smoother on the GS, for sure. Yeah, people camp here by the looks of it. Man, I'm just gonna enjoy this for a little bit. It was quite full on the last days with riding and editing every day. Before the AVR, a little bit tired. Is he stopping? No, I'm alright. I'll stay behind you, mate. Wow. So lucky with the weather too, so far. Yeah, I should make more plans and I'll try and do that now for the UK. Plan a little bit more. When my friends here, we'll be riding together and it's gonna be a little bit more structured, I reckon. Which is good. I need structure in my life, a little bit at least. Are we going up in elevation? Where are we? Yeah, 1,000 feet. Wow, 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 wow.
So high, I'ma raise the aeroplanes up in the sky. Yeah.
We're off the main road again, guys. Kalimoto does that very well here in the UK. I love that. Reminds me... no, I can't tell you what it reminds me of because you don't know that yet. Wow. Look at that. These old trees, eh? I like these stone walls. They're just stacked stones, right? There's no cement or whatever, it's just stacked stones and just last. Oh, I like these trees a lot. Wow. Look at us. Wow. fun. Electric bike explorers. To the right. Yes. Oh, this is so cool. Oh. Run faster. Yeah. Beautiful. Everywhere is so pretty, you kind of just want to stop all the time, which obviously I can't, but it's amazing, really. Snowdonia National Park's really... I don't know, I probably left it now already. Was actually charge and eat something, and then I remembered I'm in the UK. I can't let the bike out of sight for an hour. Like, everything will be gone, all my luggage. So yeah, I just ate something here and then... But look at the view, right? Yeah, it's beautiful here, really. Man. Yeah, I wanted to go to Fishguard today, but I don't think I'm gonna make it. I found an Airbnb 1.5 hours from here. I'll stay there. I started very late because I was editing at night. I had a problem with my software and it took me 2 hours to figure out what's wrong. So, and that cut into my sleeping time. So yeah, I didn't really sleep a lot, so I'm quite tired. Wanted to meet my friend, but that will be tomorrow, and then we'll probably traveling together for a while. I know, it's quite hilarious, right? I must be the only solo traveler that can't really travel alone. It will be fun, I promise, it will be a lot of fun. So I'm now almost in Bournemouth. It's called. It's right over there. I will plug in for like 10 minutes, 15 minutes, and then I will drive another hour, 1.5 hours, and I will just check into Airbnb, call it a day, and we'll go to the ferry tomorrow. Wow. Sometimes I wonder if the people that live here even know how beautiful it is. Like, when you live somewhere and you grow up like that, like, do you even realize that this is freaking awesome? Huh?
I'm not super familiar with it.
Yeah.
Sometimes it locks.
You have to open the car.
Oh, that makes sense.
I think.
Yes.
Otherwise, like, anybody can
Anyone
just
can do that, yeah.
unplug it. And now it should work. Yeah, that sucks here a little bit that you have to bring your own cable.
Yeah.
In Asia, it's not like that. They have the cables, but they steal them here in Europe, so that's the problem.
Oh shit.
Yeah.
Okay.
For the copper.
So
and
you really
stuff.
have travelled all around.
Yeah.
Oh, that's
I've been
cool.
27 countries on the electric bike. Yeah.
And
Not on this bike, but.
No, I was going to say, do you fly over and then?
No. I drove one from Germany to Malaysia, basically.
Whoa.
India and Nepal, China.
Oh my gosh! Wow.
Yeah. That was
That's so
cool.
cool. And are you filming it at the same time?
Yes, yeah, basically. That's how I make a living. Yeah,
Oh,
I'll make
wow.
like a YouTube vlog.
Yeah. That's awesome.
It's called Marc Travels. You can,
Is it? Yeah,
you
okay,
can check it out.
I will check it out. Yeah.
Awesome. Have a good day.
Bye.
It really is a bit of a bummer here in the UK because it doesn't make things much easier, especially when you're traveling alone. Like it's just stuff like going to the supermarket, like you have to leave your bike outside, like, you know, like just going to a restaurant, you have to leave your bike outside, like, and everything I own basically is on that bike, like at least what I own now. So yeah, I never thought about that in Asia. Like, it didn't even cross my mind that somebody would just take my bag. So, and it didn't happen, never. Like, and I left the bike always charging and went like in a restaurant or somewhere. But yeah, things are a bit different here in the UK. I have to be very careful. I'm done. I was just like here 10 minutes, flying the drone a bit. And now we have 1.5 hours more to go. And I'll be at the Airbnb and hopefully it's cool. Maybe I can plug in. Let's see. Thank you. No, I grew up with dogs and
dogs.
pets, animals,
They're
like
just noisy.
all sorts.
When they
of-
see somebody new, they have to.
Yeah, it's normal. That
Yeah.
I mean, it's good that they do.
Right.
Cool.
Where are you from?
From Germany.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. I came for a bike trip. It's an electric bike, and I was gonna ask you, would you mind me plugging it in overnight? Like, is this like? Yeah, that would be awesome. Like, I can pay you for the electricity
Yeah,
I use. Yeah. I have a meter on
okay,
it, so I can see the kilowatt hours, and then, of course. Well, that would be lovely. Yeah.
Bathroom.
Yeah.
It's easy for you.
Nice.
And if you get up in the night, you don't hit your head.
Yeah.
Okay.
I'll be very careful. It's very lovely here. You have a very nice house.
Okay. So there's a towel there in the corner.
Yeah.
You
Sweet.
can have take tea or coffee. And then breakfast.
Yeah.
Time you want to set off tomorrow.
I look into your eyes, I see we're out of time. I guess no one's to blame, nobody crossed the line.
Works, yeah.
Couldn't see, somehow we couldn't feel. Maybe we rose too fast, maybe we got too high. But I remember days I wonder we were always gonna last.
Charging with 8 amps now, just to make sure to not blow up the house. 7 hours till 4. Okay. You guys already made a mess, but this is my room. It's quite lovely actually. I like it. And yet again, Airbnb. How lovely are those people? It's so cool. And they let me plug in. I'll give them a bit of money, I told them. So, first time trickle charging V. Let's see how it goes. It says 7 hours until full, but probably that will be before leveling out. Let's see. If it's full tomorrow, we'll let you know. Don't forget to subscribe. I'll see you in the next video.
But I still miss the way you used to feel.